finishing drinking my water. Oh, hi, Samson. Hi. Where are you going? I'm just gonna go to my place. Okay. What a nice day. What the? What the? Runaway train! What the heck just happened? Look, what just happened right here? I don't know, but anyways, I'm just gonna you know what fish card? Yay! I really like this line. Damn, V2 daily too. Well, anyways, I have to take this work. Yeah, I know, right, Wooden Thomas? That's crazy. About what? Wait. Oh, yeah, that is actually kind of crazy, if you ask me. Yeah. To be honest, this is the most heaviest train I've pulled yet. I have to use Percy's mail car. Hey, all engines go, Thomas. Yeah? Wooden Thomas has something to ask you. What is it, Wooden Thomas? Why was, like, for some reason there's a lot of boulders. I don't know why. Oh, boulders are popular in here. I don't know why, but anyways, the boulder right behind me. Hey, fans! Why are boulders so freaking popular in here? Excuse me, did you just break the fourth wall? Red truck, you can talk? Yes, of course I can talk. Now, stop breaking the fourth wall. What is up with people breaking the fourth wall and people getting mad? Why am I having to move? I think you're on a cold cut there, buddy. Wait, what? Well, anyways, I gotta go. See you guys. Beep, beep. Yeah, bye. Yeah, I know, right? Like, I wonder if this will be a crazy day. Beep, 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 beep. All engines go, Thomas.